Good customer service from DIY Baking HRs. We turned up at the wrong Paradigm Mall and they internally rearranged the next weekend for us to visit again. Was a good experience. Instructions were on the iPad and we could ask for assistance when needed. My daughter really enjoyed the session. It took 2.5 hours, baking cake from scratch and decorating it. Just need to follow instructions provided using the tab and can ask the staff for help. They are all friendly and helpful. The cake is delicious and it comes with cute. It was a very fun experience and the person guiding us, named Zizati, was really kind and patient with us even though we needed a lot of help. The steps were easy to follow and despite having no baking experience, we managed to do it. Highly recommended for a fun day out. The cake decoration will melt. Other than that, the cake is nice. Some comments is too dry, hope they can improve the recipe. A gentle baking experience, suitable for children and adults who love cakes. Really satisfying experience. My kids had a real fun. They need to do from the beginning to the end by themselves, but with a great and sincere help from staff. Staffs are kind/supportive and professional. I strongly recommend this class. Not only do they decorate, but the children do everything from measuring to baking the sheets. It was delicious too. They were kind and waited for each child. My child made a mistake and broke a plate, but he was kind enough to ask if it was okay. I went here with my fiancé and we had a lot of fun. If you book with Klook, make sure you call them first to book a slot. The staff is helpful and kind. I messed up 4 eggs as the yolk mixed with egg whites and yet they gave me new one until I managed to get it right. Easy booking. My daughter changed the cake design from the original booking we did. It was well accommodated as it was under the same category. Kids-friendly, patient staffs. They took my daughter through step-by-step guide to the smallest details so she can build the cake she wanted as perfect as she imagined it to be. Clean space, spacious to move around. I chose cookies and cream chocolate tart to bake. The class was pretty easy and fun. The instructions were easy to follow. I gave the cake to my friends and they like it. Best for spending time with friends/family. Staff are very helpful. Great experience for me. Recommended. Thumbs up emoji. Thumbs up emoji. Excellent value. You can choose different cakes and make them with friends or family. The place is clean and the staff help you when you need help. Recommend to buy here as a bit cheaper too. The overall experience is good. It's not like a teaching session but more like they provide you with a space to bake. We were given the recipe and follow the steps. Staff will assist in between, but was hoping that the staff could be more attentive as sometimes we were unable to get any Had so much fun. Our guide, Aween, was super helpful. Guided us on what to do next. We would definitely return to try out other activities and menu. My child likes things like this. They do the whole process by themselves, from the materials to the finished product, so it's even more fun. They make the entire process by going through the pads, and the teacher helps them in between. The teachers are all kind and nice before going to Korea again. I guess the cake making experience was informative and fun, starting with making a sheet with bread flour. However, unlike what I expected, it does not teach children directly, but it is a place where you can make your own by looking at the instructions on the pad. Since the children couldn't do it themselves, their mothers had to make it together. Of course, during the process, they kept coming to inform me and bring me materials and tools, but they didn't always stay with me. I was embarrassed because it was different from my plan to have 2 children experience